ṣé kíní yẹn mọ́tò ìdọ̀tí lára o bí mọ́tò Canada ṣe gbádùn tó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ́n dọ̀tí tó mi ì ṣe o. Ọlọ́run bàbá ọmọ àti ẹ̀mí mú à ń lọ báyìí máa bá wa lọ má jà rìn sọ́nù play music for me. Ó snow lánàá ó tún ó wà sunny a little bit today. Lọ́run jọ̀ọ́ má jẹ́ ká yọ ọmọ mi bàjẹ́ o. Mo ní story kan tí mo fẹ́ sáré fún yín ní 2000 kí lorúkọ woman yìí o. I know a woman àti ọkọ wọn àjọ gbé ní Ọbalende ọmọ Ìlọrin ní àwọn people yìí. Yes, bàbá Sodiq àti ìyá Sodiq. Mo gbọ́ pé alájì kan tó wà ní tó tún ọmọ Ìlọrin tó jẹ́ tó ń ṣe ní Ministry of Works nígbà yẹn. Mo gbọ́ náà yẹn kọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ. Àwọn méjì ni alájì yẹn. Alájì mẹ́ta kódà ló wà nílé wa. Alájì àgbà ìyẹn ni bàbá àwọn àti kọba yìí tó wà ní kiri. Alájì àwọn méjì ti bí but kan nínú ìyàwó wọn ni mo fẹ́ sọ nígbà yẹn lọ́hùn. Àwọn méjì yẹn Ìlọrin ló dẹ̀ pé àwọn méjì ìyàwó tó jẹ́ young person yẹn Alájì bàbá Sule àti Alájì bàbá Sodiq àwọn méjèèjì yẹn ọmọ Ìlọrin ni wọ́n àjọ gbé Berkeley Street. So ìyàwó ìyá Sodiq ó kàn díjọ́ kan àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe ṣìnà gan o. Ó wá di níjọ́ kan ṣe alábáṣà rí fẹ́rẹ́ ó ń fẹ́ ó lọ́kọ bọ̀ tó tún wá lẹ́nìkan tó ló ń fẹ́ ṣá bọ̀ tí gbogbo gbà yẹn pé àwọn òjá sí mi máa ń lọ wọ́ọ̀kì lò mo máa ń lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni máa ń lọ. Táwọn èèyàn bá pọ̀ níbi kan tí bá jókòó pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi táwọn èèyàn bá dé púpọ̀ tí wọ́n fẹ́ máa ṣe òṣì bí ẹran oníwo máa dìde ni. Mo ti sọ many times wípé àwọn èèyàn máa rò bóyá ṣe ni mo gbéraga mi ò gbéraga but I'm afraid because of what I've been through. That trauma kò kúrò lórí mi. So I always walk alone. I want to be very very security. I want to be security conscious. So that very suddenly woman yẹn kàn disappear ni. That woman disappear. Àwọn mẹ́ta bẹ́ẹ̀ ló disappear ní àdúgbò wa. Ẹnìkan náà disappear lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ilé wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ta kò gbọ́ pé ó dé Europe. Yankee lọ́wọ́ kan. But eléyìí Saudi ló lọ. Saudi ni ìyá Sodiq gbéra ló bá lọ o. Ẹ mọ̀ kan tó ń sọ pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá máa ń ṣe ní Saudi Arabia. Ẹ mọ̀ kan tó máa ní wọ́n ṣe. Ẹlòmíì tó bá yá wọn máa ní wọ́n lọ ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ tó bá yá. Bọ́dí kan tó máa ń ṣe lélẹ́yìí. Àwọn tó bá lọ pẹ̀lú ọkọ wọn. When you travel then I'm doing this is amebo. You know amebo is my hobby. Ẹ má ọ̀nà tí mi o. Ẹ jẹ́ n fi sùúrù gbélé ayé mi o. Ìtì ìsanwó insurance kan má tún sọ pé torí mi ò ń sọ pé torí àwọn ẹlòmíì máa ní kó gbá wọn kán bá lè rí nǹkan kan gbà èmi ò ń ṣe jìbìtì báyìí bọ̀tí ilé ayé náà ó dà pé jìbìtì ló ní ilé ayé bọ̀tọ̀ Ọlọ́run á fún mi ní èrè lórí iṣẹ́ tí mo ṣe láyé. So ìyá Sodiq yìí mo dárúkọ yín o àwọn wọ́n dé wọ́n wá sọ story àwọn náà kọ́kọ́ sọ fún wọn sọ ńgbà tó ń padà dé wọ́n lọ bí ó tó bí after years kan wọ́n ṣàpadà wálé tó ti yé but jẹ́ n gbàgbé story ya Sodiq lẹ́yìn náà let me kọ́ torí àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti dàgbà àwọn ọmọ tí mo pè ní Sodiq yẹn sì wọ́n ti dàgbà àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n ti dàgbà gan gbogbo wọn ló ti marry gan ti tún bímọ tọmọ wọn tún ti dàgbà ẹ ti understand story tí mo sọ is about let's say 33 years ago ọmọ tó ṣì kéré ńgbà yẹn tó bá tó bí 7-8 years gan ẹ̀mí kan wá ti 140 something so màdámù ni wọ́n màdámù so but ní Saudi Arabia nǹkan tó ní àwọn Yorùbá máa lọ ń ṣe lọ́hùn wọ́n ń ṣe kiri yẹn náà ní Italy ńgbà yẹn ṣó ti yé yín wọ́n ní tó bá ti dé torí pé ìlú Saudi wọ́n wà street wọ́n ò fẹ́ aṣẹ́wó àwọn Saudiya they don't want that because káwọn èèyàn tó kọ nǹkan kan náà á jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti rí ìbànújẹ́ kiri yẹn ni before somebody rejects something they face trouble over that issue over that their rejection so in that Saudi they will go like they will pretend to be like husband and wife Yorùbá ló ń ṣe lè kò ń ṣe Hausa mi ò support kì í ṣe pé bóyá mo hate ìran mi but we have to call a spade a spade. Nigeria is one but àwọn tribe kan wà tẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ń ṣe òṣì wọ́n máa ń ṣòṣì jura wọn lọ tí àdẹ̀ní èmi kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀ a good child a good person that actually love his tribe he will do what he will against any bad thing táwọn tribe ẹ̀ bá ṣe ọmọ àlè ló máa ń fọwọ́ bo nǹkan burúkú tó lè pa ilé bàbá ẹ̀ lára ọmọ àlè bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tẹ́ ṣe rí àwa báyìí a kì í ṣe ọmọ àlè àwọn ọmọ àlè ló máa ń fẹ́ bo nǹkan whatever that can harm their origin they will try to cover it because they are bastards sorry to say so they will pretend to go they will pretend to be like husband and wife you know what they do they start visiting those Arabos house you know once of one pay is my wife you know because when you are going you go to people's house somebody that is not married or you are not the wife of that person you bang into the person's house you understand they can query you because their security is very tight so but they will pretend like husband and wife actually they are not husband and wife they will go there the other man will sit in the sitting room and they will the Arabo will go inside with the wife what they call wife yes even if they are not legally married from home it's possible they are dating they are married they are dating yeah because all of them they used to take them two like that and when you kill a maraduro wọ́n máa make sure pé wọ́n hook pẹ̀lú ẹnìkan ní abroad like now èmi hook pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi o ó ní expire àbí èmi hook pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi o mo dẹ̀ hook pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run a dẹ̀ hook pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run wa yes so they will go inside they pretend to be husband and wife they can be husband and wife and they will do what they will go and give their wife because they want to live they want money and those one has money you know they are trying to practice prostitution but those people the police will not know because when a couple visited a single person you believe that okay they are couple some atrocity cannot be committed but it's happening they sell their wife giving their wife to using their wife as a prostitute. It also happened in Italy with Nigerians, not Hausas, with Igbo, Bende, and Yorubas. They tell you are a fool. I need money. I'm not too desperate. I need money, but I don't want to be desperate because I am a teacher. Are you getting me? I am a teacher. And because I'm part of this world, this life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. So, and I want to teach people a good one, good things. I want to be a good teacher. I don't want to be part of those ones that will be teaching bad things. I don't want to be a bad example in society. I'm not boasting and I'm not proud. You can see, let me tell you, I'm going through a lot of things. Like maybe it's a test, maybe it's a punishment, but I know one day it's going to expire. Those evil things will going to expire because I choose to live my life the way it is good. You understand me? I want to be a good example. So a lot of people who are living their life badly, they are trying to torment us. We are not going to be tormented. You can torment me, but I'm not going to torment myself. And I believe Almighty God will not torment me. So live right. I am telling you, they got what I'm saying now. Sheroni, go Shero. Obìnrin yẹn ńgbà tó kọ́kọ́ sọ ńgbà yẹn àti gbọ́ èmi tí mo tún wá wò pé gbàtí àti ẹ̀ tó tẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀kì wa yẹn ó ti yẹ yín yẹn mo ti gbọ́ pé àdá wọ́n máa ń sọ dáadáa gbogbo àwọn míì náà tí ó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti lọ Saudi rí gbogbo àwọn alájà yẹn jẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá dénú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ní kirikiri bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nígbà yẹn mi lè sọ́ọ̀sì náà àwọn alájà torí ẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá ti kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe ìkọ́ burúkú báyìí áàjì ni wọ́n máa kọ́kọ́ ní wọ́n fẹ́ lọ wọ́n lọ tọ́ fún ìdájẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹlòmíì tó lè lọ tọ́ fún ìdájẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn kì í ṣe ìdájẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ náà ó ṣòwò lọ́bẹ̀ ni bíi pé kan sọ pé kán má kó bí lọ Saudi o kan kó lọ orógbó wọn ni wọn ò fẹ́ rí o kan kó lọ àwọn kan tó bá ti ní wọn ò fẹ́ rí o kan kó lọ síbẹ̀ ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so many of them they are going for business àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ tún dẹrù lé lórí náà tó bá ní wọ́n ń bá wọn lọ sáàjì majority of them náà máa dẹrù lé lórí so wọ́n máa ní wọ́n lọ gbàdúrà sọ́lọ́run ni wọ́n mọ Ọlọ́run ẹlòmíì há tí under the pé I want to serve God, I want to do this. They are not actually, their attitude and whatever they are doing is different from God. I mean, it's God. God has nothing to do with it. You know, so bí àwọn Nàìjíríà ṣe nìyẹn gbogbo nǹkan tán náà ṣe ń sìn gbà tó tún yá o when all of them want to go to Qatar, they want to go to Dubai, wọ́n ń jẹ ìgbẹ́ àwọn ẹlòmíì tán ló ń fún wọn ní ìgbẹ́jẹ lọ́hùn yẹn ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn expatriate pọ̀ ní Dubai gan àwọn òyìnbó pọ̀ ń bẹ oríṣiríṣi tó bá dẹ̀ ti kó wà desperate oríṣiríṣi kan náà máa fi lọ anybody wọn ò sọ pé àwọn Saudiya ló ń ṣe fún wọn o but àwọn kan wà ní Dubai tó yẹ pé wọn ò lè gbé bòmí ju Dubai lọ àti Saudi torí pé wọn ò kí ń san tax but wọ́n ṣe other things secret wọ́n dẹ̀ ti initiate majority àwọn ọmọ ìlú yẹn náà wọ́n ti initiate wọn bí albab mi Muhammad ṣé Muhammad ó ṣàmù ó rántí albab wa náà ní Dubai ńgbà ẹ̀ mọ́ so mo rántí ńgbà tí mo gbé àbúrò mi kan tí mo gbé wọlé tí mo tún gbé yẹn náà wọlé ńgbà yẹn tí ó lóun máa bá mi tí mo ní kó máa bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ àkàn máa mi dó sọ́fíìsì òun àtọmọ mi á dẹ̀ máa tún bá mi tọ́jú ọmọ you know bó ṣe dé báyìí albab mi sáré náwó gan ni bàbá ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ ti sọ fún mi pé jọ́ òun ò fẹ́ káyé ọmọ yẹn dàbí ayé òun tó bá rí ayé tó dàbí tèmi wọ́n máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ni ètò à ń sọ lẹ́nu báyìí wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n wà ní Canada ara ni mí ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn ló fara ní mí kì í ṣe Canada gan ilẹ̀ Canada yìí ilẹ̀ tó kún fún wàrà àti fún oyin ni àwọn èèyàn ló fara ní mí láti kọ́ mi ní ọgbọ́n tí mi ò béèrè fún wọ́n máa ní wọ́n fàyè wọ̀n yàn bí ẹ̀yin nìyẹn o Ọlọ́run nìyẹn ẹ̀yin tó bá ti fàyè wọ̀n yàn jọ̀kan ẹ̀yin náà máa fèsì ọ̀run ó ti yé yín bọ́jọ́ ọ̀run náà lẹ fi wọn àwọn èèyàn ó bá dọjọ́ kọjọ́kan náà máa jábọ̀ fọlọ́run ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so ìwà burúkú kò dáa ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló ti dé nígbà tí mo dé yìí wọ́n ti já olè jẹ́ tí wọ́n sọ kọ́kọ́ fún yín lórí social media yìí bọ̀bọ̀ kan ó ṣe bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tó ti lọ sí ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn òun ló ṣe ṣáàtì yẹn there is a lady in Canada here wọ́n dẹ̀ ti deport ọkọ I don't know what about the lady now. The lady, she's a security in this Canada. And the husband, I don't know what they do. Maybe they say the husband is a 419. Because majority of men, thank God I'm not a man. And my husband will not be a fraudster. Okay? So the husband, they say is a fraudster also in Canada. But he's been deported now. I remember the time I started blogging then, all of them that full that supported that disturbing my page because I know that the guy used to call them and he'll be threatening like he'll be trying to cover up some issue, some things that I should forget about some people, this and that and that and that, you know. So they said the guy, you know what happened? The lady that is a security officer, you know, anytime she's working with the building. This lady that is a security, she's working with a building. And you know some building in Canada here, when you have security, you know, this person, I don't know, maybe it's a procedure to get your ID. But anytime anybody wants to come and deliver anything into the building, before this lady will open door, the entrance for this anybody, he will get their ID.
The front should keep right.
The person, this girl, will get all the ID. She will make sure she collect the ID of everybody coming into the premises. So, and people who hold those ID, they won't feel any offensive, and also feel offended. And also the people she's working for, they won't bother. They will just believe that maybe she wants to be more security conscious, and everybody will be more liking her. Do you know what she normally do? After collecting those people ID, she will scan it with her phone. She will scan the ID and everything and send to the husband that is a fraudster. We don't have boyfriend here. We don't have anybody that we doing bad things to. I mean, we don't have crooked brain. Kuma, why? I don't know. I don't want to know too much computer. Why? Because you cannot even dare yourself at time because mo boya tin ba lo mo ìwé gidi tí mo mọ computer gan boya wa na ma sha computer mama boya wa na ma shase báwo na ṣe pé shase because en tó bá ń jalè tẹ́ tí gbé sílé owó tẹ́ gbé lọ sí báǹkì àbí kẹ́ni kó máa jẹ́ àkáǹtì kó máa bá ní ka owó mi kọ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá ń jalè ṣó ti yín so but mo ti bá àwọn èèyàn ṣe dáadáa rí èmi like this mo ṣe rí ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ mo lọ wọ́n ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́ mọ́tò ni ó dẹ̀ kún fẹ́ wọ́ mọ́tò wo bóyá wọ́n ṣílẹ̀kùn. Ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn this person, this lady that is a security in Canada here, she's in Nigeria. I don't know whatever happened. I don't know anything about her again, but on this social media, the case was brought on the, treated on the media. She lives in Canada, and the husband is a fraudster. Actually, they say they met in Canada. All right? So, wow. Go. So, I think, continue. Okay. Let me pack properly. So, she will got all the idea of everybody. She sends it to the husband. And they are using it for what? For fraud. So, some cases, some people will just be falling into trouble. And you don't know where the trouble is coming from. Because you have your head are being used. Toriye, if anybody collected my idea and you are disturbing me, I will, Almighty God will help me to wage war against you. And He will expose you. So we don't have any. You can see me now. I'm out just with my daughter and God. We don't have anybody that will be. Madam, don't go out. Nobody said that to me. Madam, don't travel. Nobody has said that to me. Okay? Madam, don't go to Nigeria. What can we okay? Many people may be targeting you back home. This and that and that. And they are not even calling me to this up. Okay? So, but if there's something that I needed, okay, that also can increase my more freedom, and that is what financial buoyancy, all right, that can increase. Okay, one nika joko sile, one say don't go out, abi, one say that place you are going, you must not reach there. No restriction, no boundary, but them go to ego owo loku, kudi loku, so ti yin. Mo fẹ́ lọ ra tomato. Ẹgbọ́n, bójú olówó ń pọ́n tálíkà jẹun, Ọlọ́run ní ṣe mí tálíkà. Ojú yín dẹ̀ ló ṣe máa dáa fún wa. Ẹni bá ní kó máa dáa fún wa ni ò ní dáa fún. Torí mi bá tèèyàn jẹ́. Kò ṣe dandan kéèyàn má ṣe crime. It's not compulsory for me to be a criminal. I just choose not to be a criminal. Ni simple. I don't want to be a criminal. And I don't want my daughter to involve in 3 sons, 2 sons. We are not in the group of that. We are teacher. Teach your students, those few people or great people that follow you. Be a good example to them. Teach them good things. But see, ya komade, sorry, social media. Toba fi oko, alo gbedudo toba fi go oju ara. Ta gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ ọmọ wọn, tó jẹ́ fans wọn. Ba na ṣe ní ṣe 3 sons. Go and check it. Kò sí ẹni tó bá jẹ́ 3 sons tó máa like me. Èmi kò lè like wọn. Kò sí ẹni tó bá sùn pẹ̀lú bàbá àtọmọ tó máa like me láíláí. They cannot like me because mi ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fún wọn but ìyá tó bá ní dídò tó lè dóko tó lè dó rẹ̀ lórí míyà àwọn ọmọ náà tó bá gbẹ́jọ́ lọ wọ́n máa lọ wọ́n máa down àwọn náà máa wà because anointing no man flow whatever you carry flow from the head to the toe okay what do you carry what are you giving to your country anywhere I go I am an ambassador for goodness for peace for good thing ni àlàáfíà ire I will produce good things few things people tó máa ní tó good láyé and my children will be part of them and myself okay even my husband all right we are not in that clique of bad thing okay ẹ continue láti máa pariwo ẹ máa gba ìdájọ́ yín jọ́ kan ẹ má gbàgbé o ìdájọ́ wà karma will roll those of you who teach children to kill their parents to destroy people's life karma will come one day continue what you are telling others to do you cannot tell your children to do it okay that bad thing and you want other children to be doing it you are ruining them their life continue karma will roll one day ìdájọ́ ń pọ̀ Ọlọ́run ẹ̀san fẹ́ dé bye for now a tún máa padà wá ẹni bá ní má dé náà là ní dé bá ìwà burúkú oko iná ni tí ó bá dókójú kò kí ní ronú tó bá dóbòjú kò kí ní sense because the blood ọjọ́ kan máa ṣàlàyé fún yín ọpọlọ ní gbogbo nǹkan tí ó máa circulate tó máa lọ sísàlẹ̀ ọpọlọ ló ti ń jáde ọpọlọ máa reduce ni minimize your sexual kini anybody with sense they are not business people real business people they are not too romantic àwọn tó máa ń ṣe dáadáa láyé they don't kì í ṣe okó nìkan ló máa ń dó ó ti yẹn olórí burúkú ló máa ń dóko for 247 ó lòṣì kọ́ bá dẹ̀ ṣe tọkọ jalè no brain here tó bá sọ fún mi pé wọ́n ní brain sí lie bye for